My next stop, Nagoya's Airport Airplane Theme Park, the Flight of Dreams. First time kong magbiyahe sa expressway sa Japan as new licensed driver. Nakatry akong mag-drive sa expressway sa driving school, pero iba yung feeling pag wala ka ng kasamang teacher. Mahigit 2 oras ang biyahe papuntang Chubu International Airport sa Nagoya, kaya makalipas ang 1 oras nag-stopover kami sa Hamanako. Isa ito sa sikat na stopover sa expressway dahil halos kompleto ang mga amenities dito. Isa na dito ang Starbucks. May gasoline station, food court, convenience store, and the most amazing view of the Lake Hamana. This stopover is such a great place to relax. And after that long drive sa expressway, nakarating na kami dito sa Chubu International Airport. Ang Flight of Dreams ay located sa Terminal 2 ng airport. Ang Flight of Dreams ay isang airplane theme park built around the exhibition of the first ever Boeing 787. Meron itong 2 main areas, ang Flight Park, where you can see the full power of the plane from up close, at ang shopping area Seattle Terrace. Enjoy the Seattle atmosphere at the Seattle Terrace. Ito ang second area, inspired by the urban landscape of Seattle, which is precisely where the Boeing company was founded. With this area, Flight of Dreams aims to bring a part of Seattle's gastronomy culture to the region. Maraming popular shops and restaurants dito, gaya ng Starbucks, Beecher's Cheese, Ethan Stowell, Franz Chocolates, Pike Brewing, at marami pang iba. Ito ang kauna-unahang Boeing store that opens outside the United States. Dito mo lang makikita ang mga exclusive articles of the Flight of Dreams, Boeing articles imported directly from the United States. Makikita mo rin dito ang mga real pieces of Boeing aircraft converted into decorative pieces and furniture, such as the soft drink and snacks cart turned into a refrigerator, or a piece of wing turned into a bank. The flight park is the area where the first Boeing 787-8 dreamliner test prototype, ZB-01, is permanently displayed. At ang kagandahan dito ay walang entrance fee, you can roam around free of charge. Around this, there are several interactive facilities related to aviation created by the famous Japanese team, specialized in digital art content. Nakakamangha ang flight park area. Here you can get the full impact of seeing a plane from up close. Kung sa malayo, nakikita natin ang gulong ng eroplano na parang ang liit lang, pero up close, super laki pala ng mga gulong nito. This is also a great place for family, especially with kids. Around the flight park, maraming mga laruan para ma-enjoy ng mga kids. And while waiting sa flight arrival ng susunduin, you can come early to visit this theme park. Pwede mo rin ma-experience what it feels like to be in the cockpit of ZA001, which realistically reproduces the conditions of flight. 3 minutes ang time per group para makapasok at makaakyat sa cockpit. Pero dahil sa haba ng pila, hindi na kami tumuloy. Marami din ditong mga information para mas malalim na maintindihan ang role and mechanism of airplanes by looking at ZA001. At ang higit na nakaka-amaze ay makita at ma-experience ang size of a real engine with a diameter of 2.8 meters. Meron din ditong aircraft seats, famous ito bilang photo booth na parang nasa loob ka ng plane for flight. Boeing donated the 787 Dreamliner to Nagoya. In recognition of the Japanese company's role in bringing the aircraft to fruition on June 22, 2015, Boeing donated the prototype Dreamliner to Chubu Centrair International Airport. And if you will look closely to the nose landing gear, well, you'll see several signatures on the side. They were written just before the last flight of ZA-01 and belong to those who were involved in the development of the aircraft. The world's first Boeing 787 Dreamliner has gone on display at a new aviation attraction in Japan, which is sure to delight spotters visiting the airport.